This is the top 5 best corded vacuum cleaners. Fifth place, Dyson Ball Animal 2, price £299.99. This vacuum has 3 suction modes for carpets and hard floors and performed equally well on all of them, steering around corners fairly easily thanks to Dyson's renowned ball technology. The machine is also certified asthma and allergy friendly by Allergy Standards Limited and has a useful 10-meter long cord. The wand handle rotates in 3 directions, making it easy to tackle under furniture or ceiling, corners and awkward spots, while the tangle-free turbine tool is astonishingly effective at dealing with hair. The vacuum is quite heavy at 7.34 kilograms and may be fatiguing when cleaning a whole house. However, it couldn't be simpler to maintain with no bags, a large bin that empties at the push of a button, and a washable lifetime filter. Fourth place, Miele Complete C3 Cat and Dog Pro Powerline SG EF3, price £309. Pet owners struggling to keep floors free of fur won't recognize their own home after a whip round with this bagged cylinder vacuum. It's easy to pull around and the accessories fit neatly inside, so you won't have to find cupboard space for them. The vacuum also features a telescopic tube that can be adjusted for comfort and locked in place. The suction tube even rests neatly on the back of the machine when you stop for a break, so you don't need to leave it sprawled messily on the floor. A simple but ingenious touch. Once you've finished vacuuming, the wire rewinds with a simple touch of a button, and the huge capacity means you won't need to empty it every time, though you will need to keep a stash of bags to hand. Third place, Heti Eco Bagged Vacuum Cleaner, price £129.99. This is a stonkingly powerful vacuum with a high efficiency motor that uses 30% less energy than previous Heti models. As expected, it's just as solidly built as its well-known brother Henry and is perfect for bigger homes, as the 10-meter long power cord and smooth wheels make it easy to cover a huge area in no time. It's particularly good on carpets and stairs, though has no trouble on hard floors either, and slurped up everything in its path, although long hair tangled a little on the brush head. The cable rewinds automatically after use, and the enormous 6-litre capacity was double the size of most other vacuums. Bear in mind it does require bags, which add an ongoing cost, but allergy sufferers will appreciate the fact they self-seal and lock dust securely inside. Second place, Hoover Upright 300 Pet, price £199.99. The reason many people have abandoned their old corded vacuum is simply because they hated lugging it around the house. This incredibly light, upright model is the ideal compromise for anyone who prefers a machine with a wire yet struggles with their usual weight. This new Hoover Upright is just under 5 kilograms in weight. That made it far easier to steer than heftier Upright with a swiveling floor nozzle that meant going around corners was not a problem. It managed well on all surfaces, though you need to switch the brush bar off for longer pile rug and hard floors. Suction is impressive too, only struggling with the occasional larger food particle. It has a decent capacity, a HEIT 13 HEPA filter to keep dust away, and a lengthy 8.1 meter cord. The included PET turbo brush is also great for keeping upholstery in tip-top condition. First place, Shark Anti-Hair Wrap Upright Vacuum Cleaner XL PZ1000 UKT, price £299.99. This upright vacuum dealt with even large debris like dried up pasta and grains of rice without hesitation. The huge floor head meant vacuuming took noticeably less time than normal, and the machine had no problem moving between hard floors and carpet without losing power. Anti-hair wrap technology ensures you don't even have to clean hair from the floor head, so this machine would also work brilliantly in any house with pet. There's a dedicated anti-hair wrap pet tool included in the box to give carpets a real deep clean too. The LED headlight in the floor head, the long 8-meter power cord, and the anti-allergy seal means that you won't be engulfed in a dust cloud when emptying the bagless model. Best of all, the cylinder lifts away entirely from the body of the vacuum, making the whole thing brilliantly portable, perfect for the stairs or reaching underneath furniture. It's a little bulky overall, so it could be hard to store if you're short on space. These are the top 5 best corded vacuum cleaners. Thank you for spending the time to watch my video. I highly appreciate your feedback. Please write your feedback in the comments below. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and family. As always, I'll see you in the comments below. Thank you for watching.